Is your phone not turning on or charging? You're not alone. Let's explore some common reasons why this might be happening. First, ensure the power button is functioning properly. Sometimes it may be stuck or not registering. Next, inspect your charging cable and adapter for any signs of damage or wear. A faulty cable can be the culprit. Make sure to check the charging port. Clean out any lint or debris that may be blocking the connection. Sometimes, the issue could be as simple as a faulty outlet. Try plugging your charger into a different power source. If your phone is still not responding, try performing a force restart. Learn how to do a hard reset for your specific model. Sometimes, batteries can take a bit of time to revive. Let your phone charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. If your phone appears to be on but the display is malfunctioning, check for screen issues. You might need to seek help. If all else fails, consult your warranty or reach out to the manufacturer for professional assistance. To maintain your phone's battery health, follow these tips. Avoid extreme temperatures, don't let your battery drain completely, and practice regular charging habits.